Welcome to the Option Exchange. Today is January 26th, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Today we started our new challenge for the year. We call it the $2,500 challenge. Basically, we're started with a live trading account, trading only 0 DTE SPX credit spread, which are alerted in our Discord channel. We teach on how manage alert, stop losses, and re-entry when losses happens. The account will be traded with the alerts given on the Discord and grow the trading account for the next 11 months with a starting capital of $2,500. As you are able to see in our Discord channel, we are very active with our members. We post updates of what the market is doing, illustrated with charts plus detailed explanations on technical analysis. We post the alert as soon as we see a proper entry and enter the trade in a live account. We post a live alert on our active trading floor tab. A detailed explanation is given on why the alert was taken on the official alert tab. For example, today trade was taken after the 48.87 level kept being bought. Also, the MACD gave a buy signal. Sellers were weak in selling the market. We illustrate the charts and what we are taking the trade and the reason we are taking the trade. We also do a recovery trade like today because we had a loss. Our stop loss got triggered at $1.70. So we went ahead and gave a secondary trade in order to cover the losses of the first trade. As you can see, we are active all day during market hours from 9:30 am to 4 o'clock closing bell. We are constantly posting updates we get from the market, including breaking news, any interest rate hikes, any Fed speaking, or any comments made. We go ahead and alert our members on the event we're seeing in our complex trading room. Our trading room is filled with news media feeds plus Bloomberg and many other sources of information that we track daily. We constantly monitor the actions of the market, track exits to lock in profit for our members. At the present time, we have 2 trades that we took today. The first trade we took was for 6 contracts. We got a credit of $1. We put a stop loss at $1.60, which was triggered, which gave us a loss of $360. We immediately continued looking for a second entry to recover the first trade, and we did a recovery loss with 4 contracts with a credit spread of $1.46, which gave us a profit of $580. Overall, the day ended up with $220 profit. If you feel that this is a service that would benefit your growth as a trader by learning with live trades executions plus also earning extra capital at the same time, then please visit our YouTube channel or look at our VIP membership, which is $65 a month. We are offering 5 free days if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you will get full access to our Discord channel. Plus, you could also see our results from our profit and loss sheet free of charge. We do offer a free chat room at no cost. We do engage with members in the free chat room. We answer limited amount of questions. But we are also open to receive questions and give answers as needed. So please don't hesitate, give it a thought. If you want to excel your trading career to the next level, come visit us at the Option Exchange. Thank you. Have a great night.